Welcome back to Consult Kriba. Today, we are breaking down one of the most exciting developments in India's export sector, creating e-commerce export hubs. These hubs could change the way Indian businesses, big and small, access global markets. But why is this important? Why now? And how can this initiative help India compete with global e-commerce giants like China? Stick around, and we'll unpack it all. Here's the scoop. 5 major firms have applied to the government to set up e-commerce export hubs in India. Logistics aggregator Shiprocket and air cargo handling giant Cargo Service Center (CSC) have already been chosen for a pilot project. Big names like DHL and Lexship are also in the running. 2 hubs will kick off operations near Delhi Airport by February next year. These hubs will revolutionize how Indian exporters manage their shipments. Alright, let's break down how these hubs will function. These won't be just regular warehouse. They'll have expedited customs and security clearance. Faster processing means quicker delivery. In-house quality certification, ensuring products meet international standards without delays. Easy re-import policies. If something gets rejected or returned, it can come back to India duty-free. Why is this huge for India's export ambitions? Currently, India's e-commerce exports stand at about $5 billion annually. Compare that to China's $250 billion. In 2023 alone, e-commerce exports made up 6.4% of China's total merchandise exports. But there's good news. By 2030, Indian e-commerce exports could skyrocket to $100 billion and potentially $200 to $250 billion in the coming years. That's why these hubs are so important. They'll help India scale up and compete globally. So, why now? Well, the world is witnessing an e-commerce boom. Global e-commerce exports are expected to double from $800 billion to $2 trillion by 2030. India needs to act fast to grab its share of this market. Plus, with initiatives like Make in India and the Foreign Trade Policy 2023, the government is laying the groundwork for export growth. The roadmap is clear now, it's about execution. These hubs are designed to empower small businesses, artisans, and startups. From Kashmiri shawls to Tamil Nadu's silk saris, India's rich heritage and craftsmanship will reach international buyers faster and cheaper. Small-scale exporters often face logistical nightmares, customs delays, high costs, and returns. These hubs will cut red tape, reduce costs, and open new opportunities for everyone. Let's be real. China is the leader in this game. But India is catching up fast. By setting up these hubs, we are positioning ourselves as serious players in the global e-commerce market. Based on feedback from these initial hubs, the government will roll out detailed guidelines for more hubs across India. Expect to see policy tweaks and regulatory reforms to make the process even smoother. This is just the beginning. Over time, more hubs will appear across India, connecting every corner of the country to global markets. E-commerce export hubs represent a pivotal shift in India's trade strategy. With these hubs, India isn't just keeping pace, we are gearing up to lead. The potential is massive, and the future is bright. Thank you for tuning in. Consult Kriba helps businesses like yours thrive in global markets with expert advice and innovative tools. Whether new to exporting or looking to grow further, we've got you covered. Discover how we can transform your export business at Consult Kriba.